nightfall. Let's get cracking on another more Aussie adventure. Come on, girl. I've been around this white brown land, seen a thing or two. From the great out back on the beaten track, let me share it now with you. All Aussie adventures, pack up your swag, let's go. All Aussie adventures. All Aussie adventures, time to hit the road.
Spit out of here, I'm going looking for this.
Now we have to load it and probably unload it. We're going over there where there's more rapids. Yeah.
Do a bit of round.
Just stunning.
Right after that many lenses go.
Easy.